Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage advanced settings for the channel on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So now let's go to settings. Here, go to the channel and go to advanced settings. So let me quickly go to advanced settings. Now here we have the manual scan, the channel list auto update, and I recommend you guys enabling it. Now here we also have the program guide auto update, and here we have the digital teletext. So we can select the teletext decoding, and here we have the CL Plus module settings, but I have no cam detected, so I cannot show you that, guys. But this is what you guys can do in the advanced settings. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.